The potato turns gluey, watery, or sticks before it ever crisps in a pot, tray, or mixing bowl, and most people never see it coming. The usual explanation is gluey potatoes just means they were boiled for too long. That story is comfortable, but it is not what is actually happening. Damaged starch and surface water fight against the texture you are trying to create. Here's the part most people miss. Potatoes boiled for the right amount of time can still turn gluey from a few extra seconds of aggressive mixing right after draining. Once you know to look for it, this stops being a mystery and starts being something you can actually watch happen to boiled potatoes. A wet sheen on the surface of a just drained potato is the warning sign. Visible before a single stir makes it gluey. Professional kitchens let potatoes dry for a minute after draining on purpose, because wet starch turns gluey under almost any mixing. None of this is random, and it is not bad luck. It is a pattern. And once you see it happen once with boiled potatoes, you start noticing it everywhere this kind of food shows up. Before you mash or fry them, let drained potatoes sit and dry for a minute. The potato told you it was too wet before the texture ever went wrong. That is the real story behind a pot, tray, or mixing bowl. Not a single mistake, but a process that was already running before anyone called it a problem.